Nika said, you know, I'm chilling. Something about this makes me feel like...
Really? What happened? What happened, you Papa Latin? I punch you, you Papa Latin girl. You want to shower? Okay, we'll go shower. Come. Hey.
Down 20. Oh, you can't and I can go away. For me?
Yeah! Stand straight and stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Only one up. Stand up. Alright. Alright, my strong girl. Alright.
Why don't you ever sleep over here?
Do you see the camera again?
This is a perfectly normal house to have fun in. What's wrong?
I don't know. It's just like that. That's like a little embarrassed and we do things and Casamante and good and good.
The Casamante is a friend of mine.
Well, he's not a friend of mine.
So listen, let's have a sleepover. We'll make it like camper.
Hey.
You know,
Oh! What happened? Oh my God.